Hello and welcome to this strong learn video on calculations with Surds. This is the first video in the first unit for the OCR course Additional Mathematics. So in this video we're going to look at adding and subtracting Surds. So I'm expecting you to already be familiar with simplifying Surds in this case. So, if we want to add surds together, we can only do that if the root has the same number in it. So root 3 and root 3. So in this first case, they're both roots of 3. We can add them together. I've got 3 root 3's and I add another 5 root 3's. In total I have 8 root 3's and that's my answer. Now in this case, these are roots of different numbers. So currently I'm unable to add them together. However, if I'm asked to simplify these, there must be a way of doing that, and the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to simplify each of the surds first. So, I'm going to take the root 18, and I'm going to split it into root 9 multiplied by root 2, and I'm going to take the root 8, and I'm going to separate that into root 4 multiplied by root 2. Now this is because the root 9 can simplify to 3, so that becomes 3 root 2. The root 4 simplifies to 2, so that becomes 2 root 2. And now it's like the first question, they are both roots of 2. 3 root 2's and 2 root 2's give me 5 root 2's. And the final one is fairly similar again, so root 125 is root 25 root 5. Root 18 is root 16 root 5. And when you're simplifying, if you can't easily spot your square numbers, which are the factors, once you've found one, it's relatively easy to find the other because you're looking for it to simplify, so you're looking for a common surd to be left at the end. So this one, root 25 is 5, so 2 root 25 must be 10, so that's 10 root 5. The second one becomes 4 root 5, and therefore when I subtract, say that again, when I subtract them I get 6 root 5. Okay, and there we go. So here's some questions you can have a go at if you wish to. If you do, if you want to pause the video and have a go. And here are the answers to those questions. And then here's something that you can have a go at. The 3 different sets are just different levels of difficulty. So the first set you already have a common surd. The second set requires you to simplify to give you the common surd. The third one is just slightly trickier, either because we have a coefficient to our surd or because there are 3 terms. And here are the answers. Hopefully you found that first video helpful. If you did, you might want to join us again for the next video, which is on the multiplication and division of surds.